So I'm Tom Dyar. I am a product manager at InterSystems, and I focus on machine learning. So we put on a workshop before the conference that was split up in 2 sessions and introducing people to our new vector search capability, which is a kind of developer-focused feature within our database and allows people to do AI kind of powered applications. And so we had a whole bunch of people with very different levels of skill that were able to go through about an hour and a half worth of content and build up their own chatbot application with very simple instructions. I think we had about 80 people in one of the sessions and 60 or so in another session. But in both of them, there was just a wide range of kind of skill levels, I would say. We had people that were more health informatics focused, that really kind of understood technology really at a more high level and didn't really deal with coding even at all. And then we had some long-term customers that are very experienced with our own technology. No matter where they were, it was pretty much new for these people. There were not that many Python developers at all. So we really thought users would be maybe overwhelmed a little bit by kind of all this AI talk and Gen AI and, you know, it's complicated stuff at some level. But we've really made it simple within our product for people to really take advantage of this technology. So we thought people could quickly be able to see how these pieces of the application would fit together, how you would leverage a large language model with your data, and just understand that this wasn't a big mystery, that these things were really pretty simple to get started with. Our learning services team and Derek, they're pros at taking very complicated subject matter and breaking it down and making bite-sized pieces for people to learn. I think there were 2 or 3 people out of all of those that had almost any issue at all. It was very few, and that was partially credit to the platform. Instruqt was just very easy to use, and everybody got it. Everybody just got it, which was really impressive. Instruqt, well, it really is a very smooth kind of application in the sense that everything is all in one. We could have a panel or whatever. One of the tabs would be like a database connection, another tab being a Jupyter notebook. Those things just ran perfectly in sync. So it was just very comprehensive and integrated. Things that I've done in the past with workshops, you would have just kind of one thing. Maybe it was going to be just a Jupyter notebook and you'd have to kind of do everything within that. And any additional kinds of components would just be way too complicated to set up. And that's what I think is a real key for Instruqt. It's just being able to really fuse whatever it is that you want to put together and have a really nice experience as far as the guided instructions on the right. Everybody was able to just navigate really well. So I think the feedback we got, like from a couple people that really, like on that spectrum of just being not really techies, really had great things to say about all of the things that they learned, like that they were not really expecting to do well or do as much as they did. So that was really heartening to see. Just we got a lot of content across, complicated for a lot of different levels of skills. And we definitely built a lot of good content that we're going to split up and keep in Instruqt in smaller bite-sized pieces. And that's something that we're going to do ongoing, and then we'll be able to have the same experience for people forever, kind of evergreen type of thing. So that is really hugely valuable. You know, it's definitely made a really good impression on a lot of people in the organization. See how well this went.